In early 1954, after seeing Clemente play in the Puerto Rican Winter League, several major league teams were showing interest, including the Braves, Red Sox, Cardinals and Giants. With the rival Giants clearly pursuing Clemente, the Dodgers outbid them with an offer of $10,000 as a signing bonus and a $5,000 first-year salary. Clemente wanted to play in New York because he had family and friends there, so he signed with Brooklyn on February 19, 1954. Back then, there was a rule governing signing bonuses of $6,000 or greater if a club signed a player for a bonus at or above that threshold. He had to spend 2 calendar years on the team's major league roster from the date of signing. Otherwise, he would be eligible for the Rule 5 draft. Clemente wasn't protected from the Rule 5 draft because he was promptly assigned to AAA Montreal. The 19-year-old only played in 87 games for the Royals of the International League in 1954, while hitting a modest .257 with 2 home runs in 155 plate appearances. Clemente felt he was being hidden from the wider baseball world out of concern that if he played well, he would be taken by another club in the Rule 5 draft. The man who was in the GM's chair for the Pirates was Branch Rickey. Rickey had been the Dodgers GM who signed Jackie Robinson before he broke baseball's color barrier. Rickey and the Dodgers owner had a falling out, which led to Rickey's departure from Brooklyn. Now, even though Rickey initially wasn't all that impressed with Clemente, he swiped him from his former club. History may have turned out quite differently if the Dodgers had placed Clemente on their big league roster in 1954. Get this Roberto Clemente inspired cap from Leon in the Lab and Pro Image Sports Colorado soon.